Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issues when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot download anything from the App Store or use the Safari browser on an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So first, let's try downloading something from the App Store. Here select some random app like this one. But as you can see, there's a problem, cannot connect to App Store, and we can retry, but it doesn't work. The Safari browser has the similar problem. If we try to open any website, it doesn't work. So to fix this, we'll need to open up the settings. Here find the general, then go for date and time and set time automatically. Now if we go back to the Safari browser and reload the page, it should work fine. And the same is with App Store. So right here we can click on download and the app runs normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.